So Bitcoin looks like it is getting another rejection off of the 200 moving average for this week. We're going to take a look at these charts, see where we're looking and what's going on for the Bitcoin market as of right now. So if you guys are excited to take a look at what could be coming in the future and how we should play this thing, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment in the comment box if anything you would like me to make a video about as we move forward through this crypto market. So first things first, this is Bitcoin right here on the weekly chart right here, and this yellow line right here is the 200 moving average. If you watched my chart before, you know I've been watching this yellow line right here, this one that's been coming down right here. We need Bitcoin to get back above this, because when we look in the past, we can see that this line has led us on some nice runs in the past when we get over it, and we haven't been below it for this long in a very long time. The cool thing is we are back above this 13 and 34, and these two look like they could be curving up. So in some period of time, we can see what happens when we get to the top of this trend line right here and this trend line right here. So let's zoom in on that on the daily. This is what we have right here. You can see it a lot better on the 4-hour chart. Actually, this is what we have right here. So I got this line right here that's kind of a trend line up at the top right here, and if Bitcoin continues to bounce on this bottom line, I was expecting, hey, it might come up and try to tap this line. This is a daily chart, so it might happen around some point in time before we hit, you know, this magical number of 24,500 that I've been talking about for a long period of time. And we got to 24, about 300. We got really close, but we didn't close above it. So, you know, they didn't get far enough. So that kind of sucks, but we can see we're getting rejected below this yellow line for the first time in a while. On the 4-hour chart, we got rejected. Might come up and retest it. We'll see what happens there. We're back below the 13 and 34, so maybe we come back down and retest this 200 moving average right here, which is kind of the top of all of this mess over here. So I had put a message on Twitter and I said, you know, I would be cautious right here, because this is like, you know, could be some type of head and shoulders forming right now for the Bitcoin chart, and this thing breaking down right now kind of gives a little bit more confirmation of that. When we go to this monthly though, we can see that this thing wants to come up at some point and try to head for 26k, maybe even, you know, up there at 20 whatever, but 26k is like the highest, you know, we can get. Not the highest we can get, my bad, but you know, the price could come up there and we gotta bounce above that when we get to that point. So we'll see that when we get there. For now, we're not even getting close. We gotta make it above this 200 moving average in my opinion, but we do have a little bit of momentum, except for we are breaking down right now as of recording this video on the 4-hour chart, and I'll try to put this video out as soon as possible so that this information is not outdated. When we go to the total right here, this is the total market cap of all the cryptos. You've been seeing these cryptos explode. That's because this thing is already above the 200 moving average. It actually is testing its 236 moving average, 236 Fibonacci level, and that's pretty nice right there to see it actually you know, getting above that level and staying above it. We'll see what happens, see if we can get it to head up over here to that 50% level, and that's what kind of usually happens. You know, at least that's what I've seen happen, you know, a bunch of times, and even on the smaller time frames. But looking at the total too, also above that 200 weekly moving average. So these altcoins have been looking nice. When we come right here to the daily though, we can see we're kind of getting a bounce right here on the 13. Hopefully we can hold this. We don't want to see this thing start to curve down, or any of these moving averages start to curve down, but on this chart we're actually getting rejected by this 236 moving average. So we'll see if we can shoot above these levels in the next couple of days or before the end of this week. Same thing for Bitcoin. We'll see if we can shoot back up before the end of this week, and actually, you know, probably trying to come down and bounce on this line right here. This 21k level might be a nice level for us to bounce on. But looking at this daily chart, you know, we definitely want to hold that level for sure. We don't want to continue this what could be this head and shoulders right here on the Bitcoin chart. So everybody watch your bags right now. It is hunting season, gem hunting season, dollar cost average season, putting small amounts in, forgetting about it season. You know, we got past a lot of that downside in those altcoins, you know, 99% down on a lot of these coins. So start looking for those ones that are going to be the winners for the next run, and definitely consider the fact that maybe something that you've been holding for a very long time will not have its day in the light again, and there will be something new, fresh and clean on the block with a nice shiny suit and a nice a nice pretty dress, and they might get people's attention over the coin that you're thinking. So just make sure you go through your portfolio, take a look at that. I'm building my portfolio right now. A lot of people are asking me for a portfolio video, and I haven't released one because I got rid of a lot of the coins that I was like, let's go ahead and rethink this thing and create a brand new portfolio. That's why I'm creating the brand new low cap gems list, and so forth and so on. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, leave me a question in the comment box of anything you may have a question about on your crypto journey. Check out my website, ECCurrencycrypto.com. RIP, true crypto roots. Think positive, and positive things will happen. And remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.